In this video, I'll show you how to install a pot filler. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The first thing you need to do is to determine how high you want the pot filler. It needs to be high enough to clear the highest pots that you will be filling. These are typically canning pots. The microwave hood fan above our stove does not give us enough height for a pot filler, so we need to replace it with a smaller profile hood fan. Here's the new hood fan installed. Now you need to drill a 1 inch or 3 centimeters hole for the brass nipple that will connect to the supply fan. For this you will need a diamond drill bit. Then, use a long smaller drill bit to drill a hole through the back of the wall. This will help you determine where to remove drywall on the other side to complete the installation. Remove enough drywall to allow easy access to the back of the pot filler hole, and extra to mount the water line. To cut the drywall, I'm using an oscillating saw. Remove any insulation where the water lines will go. Cut away the poly vapor barrier behind the pot filler hole. Cut a piece of lumber to act as a backing for the water line, as well as filler blocks to extend the backing to the inside of the wall. You will need this if you have a double wall like I do. Then screw the blocks to the backing lumber. Fasten a short piece of PVC water pipe onto a drop ear connector and screw it to the back. The drop ear connector looks like this. If you needed to use blocks to bring the backing away from a double wall, like I did, then route the water line around the blocks. To connect my water lines, I'm using quick connect fittings that automatically seal the lines once you clip them into the fitting. I'm tying the water line to another water line inside my garage, so I need to drill a hole to feed the PVC line out of the wall. Now I connect a short piece of PVC to a longer piece and place it into the wall, pushing the shorter piece through the hole. Connect the PVC piping to the water source. Make sure the water is turned off. Screw the water supply brass nipple into the drop ear connector using Teflon tape and pipe dope for a good seal. Wipe the pipe dope onto the tread and then the Teflon tape. Set the wood backing into place, pushing the brass nipple through the hole. To get the brass nipple to stick past the wall the required distance, have someone hold a piece of lumber against the wall, with a spacer on each side to get the right distance. Now firmly screw the backer into place. Glue, or screw on the mounting bracket. Using more Teflon tape and pipe dope on the brass nipple, screw on the faucet body. Check the water line for leaks, and test the pot filler. Add new pieces of poly where you cut and removed it with acoustic seal. Replace the drywall and other finishes that you had to remove. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.